Hello, welcome to learn. In today's video, we are going to learn what is combinators in CSS. A combinator explains the relationship between two selectors. That means it indicates the relationship between two elements. The relationship, what type of relationship is between two elements is indicated by the combinators. Types of combinators in CSS. There are four types of combinators. First one, descendant combinator. Second one, case combinator. Third one, adjacent sibling combinator. Fourth one, general sibling combinator. What is descendant combinator? It selects all elements that are descendants of a specified element. That means it applies property to all elements that are in a particular node. The descendant combinator is indicated with pair symbol. Next one, case combinator is used to select elements that are direct killen of a specific balance. That means it applies property to the direct killen of a balance. The case combinator is indicated with greater than symbol. What is adjacent combinator? Adjacent combinator is used to select an element that are directly after another specific element. Suppose if we take two element after the two element, the immediately first element, the property will be applied in the adjacent combinator. What is general sibling combinator? It selects all following siblings of the specified element. That means it applies property to all elements immediately after the two element. But in case of adjacent combinator, the property will be applied to the only first element immediately after the two element. Let us see the example program for each type of combinators. Here this is an example program for descendant combinator. The descendant combinator is indicated with space symbol in between two elements. Here the property is applied to the element that are present in the node. That means the properties are applied to the three elements that are present in the new node. That is here. And the properties will be applied to these three statements in the determinant combinator. Let us see the output. Now you can observe the output. The properties will be applied to these three statements that are in the due. This is the output. Let us see the Kelly combinator. This is the example program for Kelly combinator. In Kelly combinator, the property will be applied to the direct in the of the due node. That means the property will be applied to the elements. The property will be applied to these elements. And the property will not be applied to this third element that are present in section element because this is indirect killing of the due element. Let us see the output. Here this is the output. The properties are applied to the two elements that are direct killing of the due element. Now let us see the example program for adjacent sibling combinator. Here this is the example program for adjacent sibling combinator. case and sibling combinator is indicated with plus symbol. In this combinator, the property is applied to the element immediately after the first element. That means the element which is immediately after the due element is applied properties. For this element, the property will be applied. Let us see the output. Here the property will be applied to the outside element that is present in the first element. And next, let us discuss the general sibling combinator program. It is the example program for general sibling combinator. It is indicated with tilde symbol. In this combinator, the property will be applied to the element after the due element. That means the property will be applied to these two elements. Let us see the output. And the properties are applied to the elements that are after the due element. Hope you understand my explanation. If you understand my explanation, then give a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.